Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by prepping gear and launching the app. Do this now. Make sure your iPhone has adequate battery and that location services are on. This records pace and distance accurately. Pair your Bluetooth headphones because audio cues keep pace steady. Once done, open the workout app or your chosen running app and select Outdoor Run. Allow microphone and GPS permissions so splits and cadence register. Start the timer immediately and step off at an easy pace to let GPS lock and sensors calibrate. While you run, monitor 3 things: pace, distance, and effort. Glance at your lock screen or Apple Watch to keep splits in check because constant feedback prevents going too hard too early. Enable audio split alerts every 1 km or 1 mi so you don't need to stop for math. This enforces consistency. If you must stop, tap pause or rely on auto pause, then tap resume when ready. Adjust tempo gradually. Small changes in cadence are more sustainable than abrupt surges, and they reduce injury risk. To finish, tap end and save the workout, then review distance, average pace, and splits to learn what worked. Sync results to Health and any third-party apps so trends accumulate over time. Make sure background app refresh is enabled to auto-upload. If something goes wrong, say GPS drift, toggle location services, restart the app, or enable Wi-Fi for assisted positioning, because those steps usually restore accuracy quickly. Finally, charge your iPhone and review one key metric to guide your next session.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.